Welcome to Renita's Cookhouse. Today I will prepare Chola Bhaja or Bengal Gram fry. It's a family recipe. I'll show you how I make it. It's a snack which is very filling and nutritious, yet can be prepared very quickly. It can be eaten as it is, or it can be served as side dish with roti or rice. If you like this recipe, then hit the like, subscribe and bell icons below so that I can share more and more of my recipes with you every day. The ingredients we need are Bengal gram, 200 gram approximately. Soaked in water for 2 days, it is washed thoroughly with water to get rid of fermentation taste, then water is drained. Kashmir red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. It is less hot than the regular red chili powder. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Green chili, 3 to 6 slit in the middle. Finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, 30 stems. Coconut slices, 20. Curry leaves, 25. Lemon juice solution, 1 mixed with about 1/4 cup of water. Tomato, chopped into cubes, 1 large. Finely chopped onion, 2 medium. Grinded garlic, 1 tablespoon. Grinded ginger, 1 tablespoon. Whole masala, cumin, crushed coriander seeds, carom seeds or ajwain, fennel or mohri, and black cumin or kalu jeera, 1 teaspoon each. Mustard oil, 1 tablespoon. Refined oil, 4 to 6 tablespoons. Heat about 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and about 4 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Mix them well and bring it to fumes. Add the curry leaves. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes in low heat till the leaves change color and a nice aroma of the curry leaves come out. Add the onion, ginger and garlic to the oil. Since I forgot about the whole masalas, made space for the masalas in the pan. Then added the whole masalas and 2 tablespoons of refined oil in the pan. Saute them in low to medium heat till golden brown. If masalas are added earlier, then 2 tablespoons of refined oil is not required. Once the masalas are golden brown, mix them with onion, ginger and garlic. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. Add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric and about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Saute for 30 seconds. This will get rid of the raw smell of the turmeric and will give a very nice warm yellow color to the food. Add the Bengal gram, about 1 teaspoon of salt, coconut slices, coriander leaves, 3 green chilies and tomato. Mix them well. Saute for 5 to 6 minutes in medium to high heat. Stir frequently from downward to upward movement to prevent masala from getting burnt and facilitate an even distribution of heat throughout. After 6 minutes, taste it. Add whatever is required. Added about 1 teaspoon of salt, lemon juice solution and 3 more green chilies slit in the middle. Mix them well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook in low to medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute again, taste it and add whatever is required. My Chola Bhaja is perfect. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.